I'm recording.
Shake him up.
Meeka, what's wrong?
Oh, girl. Nice to meet you.
What's wrong? What's wrong? Yeah, I don't even know if I'm getting her in camera. What the hell are you guys doing to me?
What are you doing, Meeka? Come here, babies.
She's like, screw you. Put your paw down.
It's okay.
Put your paw down. Put it on the ground. It's filled with air. Here you go. Put it on the ground.
Here you go.
Remember, you can lift this one up now. We should put them on her back paws and just
Meeka,
watch her prance.
you're pretty.
Yeah, let's not use the word come.
Meeka. You don't know how to walk backwards with these on, or what?
I want to see her with all four on.
Yeah.
She's like,
Okay, well, I got more. Put your phone down for a minute. Oh.
okay, Dad, you record.
Did you stop recording?
I don't know. It doesn't
Stop
look like it.
record.
She's like hopping.
Okay, you have to.
Are you gonna post this on Facebook?
Well, I'll post on. I'm gonna put it on YouTube as well.
Oh, hold your feet still. Okay, done.
She's like, but guys.
I can't put the one down that has this on.
She's gonna hate us for the rest of her life. I'm sorry. I'm
Papers
sorry, Meeka.
fucking. Okay, there we go.
Are you recording? Are you recording?
Yeah. So
Oh, you guys, you're so cute.
Guys,
baby.
guys, there's something on my feet. There's
Good
something on my
girl.
feet.
Good girl. What you got?
Guys,
Good girl.
what'd you put on my feet?
It's okay.
What'd you put on my feet, Dan?
Meeka.
I filled with air? Here, let's squeeze the air out.
It's okay.
You can put that foot back down.
Girl. Hey, go get the ball. Where's the ball? It's over there. Go get it.
Wait, what's this?
you
Is she
don't
prancing like a horse?
She's trying not to put her back feet down. So it's kind of funny because. Come here, Meekas. Come here, baby. Come.
Come on. Guys, make it stop.
What you doing? What you got?
Guys.
Oh, I'm just getting used to it. What you got, Meekas?
At least Kaos tried to rip those off. Mika's just like walking. She's like, I don't know what the hell I'm supposed to do with this. Come here.
Come here, baby. You got it? Good girl.
Because you're
You
funny.
want them off
Good
now?
girl. Good girl.
You want to see some release? Want them off now?
Girl.
Here.
You're so smart.
Just take them off.
Not yet. Not yet. We're not done. I'm not done playing with her.
That's
Funny. Look at the ball over there.
It may be funny, but you don't want her to be, because I'm putting her with Booties. I don't want her to be afraid of us.
No, they're not afraid. This is if you look at YouTube videos with putting shoes on
Yeah, but
dogs.
you
This
don't
is
wanna-
what they do.
You don't want to go on
It's
too
because
long.
we gotta get used to it. That's why.
Yeah, but you don't want to put on for too long.
Then what's the point of having them? Just to do this? To tease
No,
them?
you do this a few times over the course of a few weeks so that they get used to it.
You're a good girl.
I bet you.
Good girl. Only thing is a treat. Because you're so good. Because you're such a good girl. What's you getting? What's you getting? Little tidbits. What'd you get, good girl?
Go walk.
Go walk. Come on. You can do it.
She looks like she's prancing kind of.
She's doing high knees.
Okay.
Oh, Meeka is so pretty. Okay, you gotta walk though, because I'm gonna take.
I know.
You walk. Meeka, high knees. Oops, that's not what I wanted. Meeka, Meeka, do your high knees.
She's getting used to it now.
Meeka,
You guys torture me.
Meeka, do your high knees.
you want more recording, Keelan, or you're done?
That's fine.
Oh, you're so cute, doggy. You're so cute.
There's more right, Mom. Over here.
Meeka. 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 Ready? Get up. Oh, good. Good catch. Good catcher.
You want this? See, now she just like